children, welcome to Master Math with Sarika. In today's topic, we will understand the concept of LCM. LCM stands for least common multiple. L for least, C for common and M for multiple. Let's say we need to find out the least common multiple of two numbers, say 2 and 4. First, let's write down the multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Then the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and so on. Now let's circle the common multiples. 4 and 4 is common. 8 and 8 is common. But we need to find the least common multiple. Least means the smallest. So the smallest common multiple of 2 and 4 is 4. Therefore, the LCM is equal to 4. I hope this concept of LCM is clear to you.